How to make chicken tandoori without any oil. So at first you put some lemon juice. Take about 1 or 1.5 lemon juice. And you cut some onions. So make sure you dice it well. Okay. Then you cut some garlic.
Ninja technique. এটা হচ্ছে কি যারা আমাদের মতো কাজ করে তাদের জন্য
So now you have everything there. You're gonna give a good mix. You're gonna give enough salt. So since we have a lot of chicken, we give 2.5.
লবণ পরিমাণ মতো নাকি
পরিমাণ মতো।
ওকে ওকে ভুল হতে পারে
2.5. I gave a little too extra.
It's okay.
Now we're gonna add some chili powder, which is the case I added 3 spoons. As you can see, 3 spoons I added. Now the second thing I'm gonna add is a tandoori masala, 3 spoons as well, and it has no spicy. So you can add as many as 1. It's only for color. It's gonna give you a good color for tandoori. Tandoori masala.
যে কোনো তন্দুরি মশলা দিলে হবে তো ওকে বাট দিতে হবে
You can also add yogurt. Since I don't have the yogurt, I'll just gonna do it like this. And as you can see, there is no oil I added in there. So one important thing I will add, it's called tahin. Tahin is the best thing you can add with the tandoori. It's gonna give you a nice flavor. Trust me, if you don't have it, just add the lemon juice and a salt. So add some tahin if you have it. It's gonna give you a good texture. Okay, chicken you need to cut. To cut chicken. Now you're gonna marinate your chicken. You're gonna give a good mix. Make sure your spice gets inside the chicken. And mix it up. Make sure you cover it and leave it at least for 20 minutes in the fridge. Plastic bag nai. So as you can see, it's done. Now we're gonna start cooking in the air fryer without any oil adding it. Moment of the truth. Here we go. As you can see, wow, what a nice color. Trust me, it tastes really good. Try it out and please follow me, and so we can add more videos for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in next video.
চিকেন আসতেছে তুমি ওটা শোয়াই দাও
মজা হয়েছে
মজা হয়েছে